YouTube, Facebook, and whatever other platforms I put this video on. How you guys doing? Yeah, let's just dive into it. You want to know how to make $900 commissions? Here's how you do it. Okay, so let me just flip the screen over here. This is the Facebook group where members who are using this method, this system, this program essentially are using, including myself. And you can look at my previous videos. Plenty of $900 commissions have come in, but today this video is not about me. It's about members, because if you're going to become a member of this system, of this program, and you want to start generating $900 commissions, you want to know that other members have been doing it too. So take a look. Let's just scroll down. This is actually a post I've made literally 5 minutes ago of members who have actually won prizes for just referring leads for last month, for January of 2025. Right now we're already in February. These are the 3 members. So shout out to Joshua Elder, came in spot number 1. I'm not surprised. He's been promoting this like crazy. Carl Haggard, number 2. Congrats, Carl. An email has been sent to you with your prize, essentially. And Babs, who also came in at number 3. Congrats, Babs. Slow clap for you, my friend. Good stuff. An email has been sent to you as well. So here's the member that I've been telling you about that just got a $900 sale. Her name is Carol. She's been in the system. I don't know exactly when she joined, but I started seeing her name about less than a month ago. That's when she started posting her results and stuff. And just today, 20 minutes ago, she literally posted that she made a $900 sale. So what is it that she's using? Now, I could keep going on and on here. Here's Carlos. You've probably seen him in my previous videos, been posting nonstop commissions. And this is actually one of the other things that I wanted to show you. This system will not only potentially help you make $900 commissions, but it can also help you build monthly residual income. In fact, let me show you just one. This is what you're watching on the screen right now. This is a monthly residual commission that Carlos just increased his monthly residuals by another $26.80 every single month. Now, personally for me, I started promoting this a little over 4 months ago. The exact date was September 24th or 26th of last year. So it's been about 4 months. I took that specific income stream, which is income stream number 7. It's like literally the last one. You wouldn't expect the last income stream to generate a lot. But take a look at this. I've already built that to $4,971.30 a month, which if you, let's just call it $5K a month. Okay, like literally the next sale will be like $4,999 or something. So let's just call it $5K a month, which translates to $60K a year. Total residuals, like no active participation whatsoever is needed from my end to generate this income. Like basically once you've built it up, it's passive. It just comes in every single month, every single month, every single month. And I'm planning to doubling this literally in the next like 4 months or so to like 10K, and then maybe doubling it again to like 20K. Do the math. It can get pretty insane when it comes to these things. But it took 4 months for me to do this, and that's what you're seeing Carlos post here. This is a little update that I've done from the pool yesterday, some results, more members posting Tony and everything. Anyway, you guys get the point. Let's just dive into the system. This is the system. It's called superaffiliatefunnel.com. superaffiliatefunnel.com, just what it sounds like. And because all of the members have been literally twisting my arm, all the members have been sending out support tickets saying, please leave it for another month. And I decided to do that. So if you're interested in getting this exact system for 100% off, essentially, I already applied a coupon. All you got to do is just scroll down. As you can see, it's $2,000, but now you can get it for free. All you got to do to get started is click this big yellow button right here. Once you click on that, it's just going to ask you for a little bit of information. But before we even get to that, let me tell you who this is for, because this is really not for everyone. If you're the type that can't sit down, watch a video, figure out, what's being shown to you on the video, this is probably not for you, because this is not a coaching program. Nobody's going to call you. There's no humans involved. So this system is exactly the same way. It's a self-serve system. basically what you do, there's 3 simple steps to start using it. And the steps are right here. Number 1 is you need to clone it. So you're using exactly what I use, exactly what Ziza over here is using, Carlos is using, Tony is using, I'm using, Carol is using to just made $900 this morning. So basically you need to get a clone of it, like a clone of the exact system. And you do that by just creating your account. Then what you do is you simply set up your exact affiliate IDs, your personal affiliate IDs. So this way, when you're generating leads through the system, it knows what affiliate links to show them. That's really important, and you want to have all of them set up, or as many as you can anyway, for several reasons. Number 1 is you're not going to miss out on commissions, and number 2 is you're also going to qualify for something called roll-ups. So in case one of the people that you referred didn't set up all the income streams, when they start promoting and generating leads, if any one of their leads signs up to whatever income stream they didn't set up, that rolls up to you. Pretty cool, right? And then the last part, which is advertising, which is all covered inside of the system. Now, you can earn up to 7 different income streams. This is why you're seeing such a variety here of Carol, as an example, made $900, but Carlos over here generated a residual commission. Totally different type of a commission. But this system essentially can help you pull in 7 different types of commissions instead of just 1, which is kind of silly if you think about it. It's 2025. The average millionaire, last I heard, has 7 income streams. Do you think it's a mistake that the system has 7 different income streams as well? Not a mistake, my friend. It's actually by design. So to get started, again, scroll down, fill in the details, get started. You can check out all the different testimonials here. Actually, these are just a small drop in a bucket of testimonials. If you really want to see all of them, once you're inside the system, you'll be invited to this Facebook group, and then you can just come here and just scroll through all of them. You can see everything that's going on. Yeah, people ranking up. Like, the team is already nearly 2,000 people at this point. It's only been like a little over 4 months. It's pretty insane. So, yeah, that's what I wanted to kind of show you in this video. I don't want to make this video 7 hours long like my other videos. So to get started, click the link in the video description if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're watching this on Facebook, look in the post description. It's going to be a link there for you to click on. It's superaffiliatefunnel.com. Or if you're watching this on my webpage, then there's going to be a big yellow button just below this video. Click it. It's going to take you straight to the system, and you can get started. There's also a time-sensitive promotion right now that's going on beyond 100% off, which was supposed to expire already. But again, I'm getting my arm twisted, so you get to benefit from that for another month. For the month of February, essentially I'm keeping the 100% coupon off, but then it will have to expire, and the system price will be $2,000 as it always is. And the bonus, so $3,000 in bonuses when you activate the very first income stream. This is literally just me bribing you to get started. Like, I'm just putting it out there, okay? I know that the people who are motivated to get started will get started anyway. To help you, push you, do it a little faster, there's a promotion right now where you get nearly $3,000 in bonuses, worth of bonuses, just for activating the very first income stream, which, by the way, is only like under $10 a month. To get started with that, you can actually get it for even cheaper if you go annual, but that's up to you if you want to do that. You can check out all the details once you're inside the system. The entire bonus package is essentially designed to help you generate that very first sale as quickly as possible, just like you've seen Carol do, just like you've seen Carlos do, just like you've seen many of the members do. So that's it. That's basically all I wanted to cover on this video. Thank you guys for tuning in on this live stream. I know a lot of you are going to catch this later because probably it's like midnight right now in North America. It's like 12 p.m. My time here. So see you guys in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.